What's up, YouTube? Travel video. This is what this is. So, I'm lucky enough to have relatives living in the southwest of France. So that means every summer I go to the southwest of France. I'm gonna film this video because it's a travel video. Right now it's like 10 p.m. and we have to leave the house at 4:30 in the morning. 4:45 seems like a good time to wake up, so that's when I'm gonna wake up. We're gonna stay in Biarritz. So let's do this. I'm gonna sleep and then I'm gonna like wake up and film that, but I'm not gonna talk. It's gonna be like a montage with some cool music. Like I'm gonna try be Casey Neistat. Let's get this party started on a Monday night, because it's Monday. We landed in France. We're at the apartment. Day 2. I didn't film much yesterday because my phone ran out of battery. There's thunder and lightning on our second day here.
By the way, the reason why I look like an egg is because, yeah.
Yeah, why? Can I sit with you?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you,
It's because. Do you like the lightning?
Yes.
You're coming to the house of the jazz.
I think today we're going to someone's house to eat. The weather's bipolar today. Good morning, guys. It's Friday and we're going on a boat in like a few hours. I'm gonna end the video here. The boat was honestly amazing. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that. I enjoyed it. Please do like, comment, and maybe subscribe, you know. But yeah, that's the end. Bye.